On a rural farm in Colorado, bizarre lights in the night sky. This one blinking here, one of more than a dozen unidentified drones flying in formation for miles. And on the ground, even local law enforcement calling them in.
I had what I believe to be a drone pass over me, and it was headed east towards Yuma.
Since a week before Christmas, the drones have been appearing around 7 at night and flying for hours. Sometimes they're seen in groups of 30 and able to fly very quickly, with witnesses saying some of the drones have wingspans estimated to be 6 feet or more. The sightings reported across 5 counties in Colorado.
They can sit there and hover, they can descend very fast, they can take off very fast.
When Wyatt Harmon saw them above his land, he and his girlfriend tried to chase them down.
That one's back.
The mothership thing?
Yeah.
They followed a line of drones for 15 miles, even pushing speeds past 70 miles an hour, but no luck.
We got close to one, and it descended. I swear it got closer to us, and then the light shut off.
It's kind of just scary. It's more unnerving than anything.
So far, their video is the best evidence to emerge, enhanced here, but still unclear. The FAA saying they're in contact with local law enforcement, but don't have any concrete information to act on. And the Army saying the drones don't belong to any nearby bases. Some experts speculating that the drones could be flying for private companies, conducting mapping or surveys for things like oil and natural gas. Other theories suggest they're a part of practice runs for the kind of drone shows put on at sporting events or theme parks.
Trigger.
But online, some residents are unnerved, wondering if drug cartels or the government are involved, sparking conspiracy theories, with people asking on Facebook, can we shoot them down if over our property? Authorities warning against that, saying shooting at any aircraft, including a drone, is a federal offense. And while the mystery remains unsolved, they don't think the drones are malicious.
So, Gotti, this is all certainly strange, but do we know if any of this is illegal?
Yeah, it's definitely weird. But at this point, the sheriffs have said they think the drones are staying well above the 200 feet mark over people's property, which is probably too high for the drones to be looking into windows. So, no, as of now, officials don't think the mysterious operator is breaking any laws. But just like the rest of us, they want to know who they are.